Welcome to Student News at Bradley University. My name is Elise Dismer, and I'll be showing you what students are doing on campus now that the sun is finally out. If you recall, we came back from spring break to a nasty blizzard. But since the sun's been peeking out, things have been changing. So let's take a look at what our students have been up to on campus.
What made you guys decide to play croquet?
Nice day out, try and take advantage of the weather, and nice relaxing game.
What brought you guys out today?
Sunlight, yeah.
Yeah? Has it been pretty nice outside recently?
What brings me outside? We have ultimate frisbee practice today. Sun's shining, it's nice weather, and we love to be outside and play lacrosse.
A lot easier to be social outside and keep active and stay in shape, so.
Soak up the sun, enjoy some warm weather, get a tan, and have fun outside.
Well, there you have it. That's how Bradley students are having fun in the sun.